Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn Hickory. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 40, this pet-friendly hotel features laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi and free breakfast are provided to all guests. Hickory Motor Speedway is 5 minutes drive away. A small refrigerator is provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Sleep Inn Hickory. Rooms are also equipped with a private bathroom and coffee-making facilities. Select rooms include a TV. A fitness center is available to the guests of the Hickory Sleep Inn. Guests also have access to fax and photocopying services. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Lenoir Rhyne University is less than 10 minutes drive from this pet-friendly hotel. Lake Norman State Park is 31 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.